Brown here. As you can see, we have a Microsoft Word document here. What you want to focus on is on-screen keyboard. So for instance, you want to type something here, a keyboard giving problem. How would you really get to type? What you can do is come right down here in the search bar, you're going to click. Now when you click, you notice you bring up this particular area here. Alright, so I'm going to type on. You notice right up here, it's the on-screen keyboard. You're going to click on it, or you can press enter on your keyboard. Right, if you also put the mouse right here, you can actually move it where you want it and all that. So I want to type something on this document. Alright, first you make sure you click in like that. Right, I'm going to type M-A-R. You notice it show press, you just click it, and that's it right up here. So we're going to write something else. My keyboard mark was not sure, right, if he is coming, right? Coming. And this is so easy that you can actually use this hands-free keyboard. Right down, you can come right here, you can close it right here, you can come like this and put it right here in the taskbar. Yes, it is in the taskbar. If you come right here again, you click and you get back up, right? Notice it at the page up, page down, the shift, the enter, right? So this is what you actually call the backspace. And this is if you delete, you notice the cap lock, right? If I come like this and press enter, notice you reach on my next line. Alright, so if me type, so if I come like this and I click this cap lock, you notice you come up like this, you notice, right? And I can really come like this and backspace. So this is how you actually use the on-screen keyboard on your computer right here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.